Hello guys, and welcome to another Carsexposed video. My friend Ricardo just phoned me up. He was coming back from London Heathrow, and oil pressure lights or level lights came on. He's not sure, and then he starts seeing some kind of smoke coming out from the bonnet, and yeah, it's the same Corsa D that we worked on a while ago, changing the crankshaft sensor. And the Corsa, Astra, I think, the Meriva, they have a really common problem, which is the oil pressure switch. They start leaking through, and I presume that's what happened. So luckily it happened not far from his house, so we're just on the way there to have a look at the car. And first of all, I need to go to Halfords to get some contact cleaner, and yeah, see how it goes. Alright guys, just left Halfords. I got some contact cleaner, and if it's not it, I run out anyway, so I needed to get some. We're nearly there now. Yeah, let's find out what's going on. Okay guys, so back in the car now, and we have no lights for the oil pressure at this point, no errors, an ECU as well, and just let me show the data that we have here. That's what I can get with my diagnostic tool. Oil pressure normal, oil pressure switch active, the warning lamp is off at the moment. That's pretty normal. If I turn the car off as it should, you know, obviously the pressure goes low because the engine is not running, the oil pressure switch is not activated, and then I'll turn the engine on and it's back to normal again. But typically, let me get the bonnet open. Typically with this engine, and it's the same one I believe with the Astra and the Meriva as well. So here we have our oil pressure switch, and as you can see, it's leaking pretty badly. I'm gonna set up the camera here and I'm gonna turn the car on again. I'm gonna leave you guys right there. I'm gonna turn the engine on. There we go. So that's our problem. That's our issue. You can see down there as well, it's all ended up on a tray there. Also getting all this pipe all dirty here, and I think what happens, probably the sensor gave up and it probably just gassed oil all over this heat shield here for the exhaust. So alright, let's get this sensor replaced. I'm gonna go to Vauxhall and get some original parts. It's not very expensive, so we're gonna go there and replace the sensor. Okay, so back from Vauxhall. This is the parts number for the new oil pressure switch. It's original from Vauxhall, and it costs $8.64 with a little bit of a discount plus VAT. We got some service parts as well because we're gonna change the oil filters and everything. But yeah, $8.64 plus VAT. So that's not too bad, not too expensive. Now we're just about to change the sensor. Okay guys, so it's a 24mm spanner that you need that I don't have, so I'm just gonna use an adjustable. Should be pretty simple to remove the cable first, and then comes off. Yes, the oil's coming through quite badly actually. It's a lot of oil down there. So we're gonna fit the new one. So I'm gonna clean the contact with some contact cleaner, just to get all the oil out. That's it. So I'm gonna let it dry. Connect it all up. Let's start the engine, see if we get oil through. Pretty happy with it. There's no oil coming through anymore. Okay guys, so the car's been running now for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, no leaks anymore, so the problem is fixed. Keep turning it off, Ricardo. So the problem is fixed, and remember, this is a very common problem. Sooner or later it's going to happen to, I think Astras have this sensor, the Corsas and the Merivas as well. So yeah, you know, I've seen 3 times already, and it's a really common problem. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video is helpful, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like it. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.